you're really big into the state of mind, right? And
Yeah.
you have to believe it to achieve it. So I think you're definitely living that life. And to your credit, I mean, you've been doing it pretty successfully. So my next question is we always hear about the overnight success stories that take 20 years and it's always
Mhm.
perceived as something that just happened. And obviously you got a state of mind that probably just didn't happen overnight. How long did it take you from start to finish from when you began to get to where you are currently?
It's taking my whole life because I cannot say that uh, I did something out of the blue that took me to where I am. I
Mhm.
mean, it all started when I was born. That's the way I see it. Every step that I take, and even the wrong steps, even problems, especially the good things, has taken me to this state of mind.
Hmm.
And success is only measured by mean at the end of the road. When you get to look back, or someone looks back at your life and say like, oh, but he actually did this and he
Hmm.
did it this way. But success for me is getting to live your life as close uh, your principles and your beliefs as possible.
Hmm.
Because the rest of, whatever comes is just results. It's not just success. So it's like, okay, so if I have tomorrow $1 million, so I'm successful? No, it's because I did a whole bunch of things
Hmm.
that got me to this state of mind and produced me this $1 million. So this is a result. It's not. It doesn't define how successful I am, because you can be a millionaire and be broke, but if you made $1 million and you somehow you lost it, you can make it again. But those are results. For me, being successful is being true to yourself,
Hmm.
being true to your ideas, to your principle, and walk the path.